Hello, Rubens. Lily. Lily. What you got there, girls? What you got there? I have a dinosaur and I'm kicking his ass. Rubens. Ruben, what do you have? Do you have a duck? Feel it. Ruben. Mr. Vega. Ruben Vega. Ruben. What do you have? Haley, why do you growl at it? Why do you growl at it? Why do you growl at it? Girls, what do you have? What does Ruben have? What does Rubens have? Rubens, he says that is my duck. And I will kill it. My duck and I am killing it. What is that? Do you want me to have it? Come here. Is this your dinosaur? Get it, Lilu. What are you doing? Are you killing the duck? Don't eat the stuffing. Don't eat the stuffing. That is not nice. And Mr. Vega, you have stuffing in your mouth.